Aware ka ba or may knowledge ka ba about what happened sa kanya?
Ito nga yung parati ko sinasabi sa mga tao Pagka nag-cheat ang asawa mo, sino ang huling nakakaalam pag nag-cheat ang asawa?
The missus.
The missus,
Oo.
di ba? So, in fairness sa kanya, he gave me everything that he can possibly give as a perfect husband. Hindi siya ng babae. He's a very good provider. He loved me so much. Like, in my heart, alam ko hindi na ako makakahanap ng lalaking kung paano niya ako
Tratuhin.
trinato. He really treated me as a queen. The knowledge of him having yung gambling habit niya, I really did not know anything about it.
Ha?
Siya lang ang may alam. Walang may nakakaalam kahit sino. Siya lang talaga.
Oh, so hindi ka ba nagkakaroon ng idea saan galing yung ikinabubuhay? Or
Well, no. In fact, he has really a business.
Oh,
In
so-
fact, even up to now, yung mga dalawang anak ko, they work
yung
for...
sobra?
Yung-
Bakit sobra to? Bakit parang
Hindi, kasi
hindi na yata?
I came from, galing ako sa Pilipinas. Alam mo,
Oo.
and I grew up with commission.
Oo.
You know what I mean? Commission basis.
Oh,
So,
dahil
akala
talent
ko,
manager si
Dahil
Jessica.
talent manager ako. So, pag meron siyang kino-close na kunyari business, I made big commission. So, akala ko, oh my God, yay! Ganon. And then, yun pala, it was a commission, but then again, it's a long story, na parang, oh my God, hindi lahat, was commission.